Why is that so funny to me?
Hey, buddy. What are you looking at?
Look at them blue eyes.
No. Got the hiccups, but he's not letting go of that binky. You're so handsome. You can't really see his eyes though, like they just look dark. Love you, buddy.
Love you, Auntie.
He's like, oh, we almost lost it.